It's narrow, I got a bag in. This is my backpack on. What the heck is that? Funky layout. That's not, it doesn't just look like that on the camera, it actually looks blurry like that in real life. That's weird. When you select the floor, it shows up. I wonder, just to see. What? It doesn't, oh, it only just shows the next stop. It doesn't show all the stops it's going to. That's interesting. There's the panel, just basic generic Spanish buttons. Here we are at 2. I wonder why they plated this off. They don't normally do that in Spain. You can kind of see out through the cracks. A little tiny bit, but the lights are off, so you can't see anything out. Oh yeah, look, you can see right out that crack. That's funny. Yeah, weird mod.